Want to start using Bitmoji on Snapchat but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to make your own Bitmoji and use it on Snapchat. Now let's get started. To create your Bitmoji, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then select Create My Avatar. Choose a gender option at the bottom. Then if you like, you can take a selfie to help you match your facial features to your Bitmoji easier. If you want to create it on your own without a selfie, tap Skip. Now you can customize your Bitmoji avatar by choosing skin color, hair, facial features, makeup, clothing, accessories, and more. Tap through each customization category in the menu bar and tap different options to see what they look like. Continue going through each customization category to personalize your Bitmoji. When you're finished, tap Save in the top right corner to save your custom Bitmoji avatar. Now you'll see your avatar on your Snapchat profile. Tap your avatar at the top to see more options, such as choosing a background and a pose for your avatar for how it will look on your profile. You can also choose a selfie pose that will be used for your profile icon. Once you've created your avatar, it will appear as your profile icon and give you a whole new category of stickers to use with your Bitmoji character. Check out the sticker options when you send your next snap. That does it for our guide to setting up your Bitmoji avatar on Snapchat. For more helpful Snapchat tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Snapchat tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.